to shun evil company, to give up evil company, see me side the unpleasant aspect of life, rough stage, taken aback, surprised, to win laurels, to earn grace prestige. I threw up my cards for want of funds, I gave up my plans, take liberties to treat me disrespectfully, mind their P's and Q's to take care of their behavior, throw dust into my eye, misleading or confusing someone, did not care for his family, wanted to gather roses only, to enjoy all environment of life, feather his nest, provide for his own needs, carve out a niche for himself, developed a specific position for himself, to the letter in every detail, read between the lines to understand the inner meaning, to bury the hatchet to make peace, teething problem, difficulties at the start, tooth and nail with all their might, face a difficulty or danger boldly, take bull by horns, die is cast, nothing can be done now, decision has been taken, through thick and thin, under all circumstances, keep the wolf from the door, avoid starvation, take my hat off, admire, toe the line, follow the lead, takes after, resembles, tide over change dangers, overcome, took exception, objected, to the core ultimately, turn up, appear, put an end to, stop, to hell from, came from, turn him off, dismiss, to egg on, to urge, to keep the ball rolling, to continue the work, talk him over, convince, eat anyone's salt, to be anyone's guest, too fond of our own voice, do not listen properly, look down one's nose, to regard with contempt, shed crocodile tears, to pretend to be unsympathetic, to squat freely, to escape without punishment, to explore every avenue, to try every opportunity, to have something up his sleeves, to have a secret plan, to miss the bus, to miss an opportunity, to call it a day, to decide finish working, to give concurrency, to make publicly known, to play havoc with, to ruin, to lose ground. Modi lose ground in 2014 due to his casteist politics, to make both ends one's end, to live with one's income, to fall back on, to seek support out of necessity,